Good morning, Cagayan de Oro Lifestyle. So I'll just show you one of the experiences that we had this week. This week lang po ito. So this area here, this is still part of Cagayan de Oro City, but surprisingly, this is my first time ever reaching this area because this is in Pagatpat, Tulumbia, Barangay Pagatpat, Tulumbia, uphill or mga highland part of Cagayan de Oro City. If di ako nag real estate agent, I would never reach these places. I swear to God. So, hindi ko na siya na napakita, no, but our car stopped a few meters away because there's this road na hindi kaya ng Wigo. So, we have to walk. So, here we are after the concrete provincial road. We've reached this area because we are heading to a 11-hectare property that we are selling. Our buyer, our client is asking for the actual pictures or videos of the area. It's so beautiful here, super like you'd feel that you're so far away from Cagayan de Oro, but the truth is you're just a few minutes away from the business area of the uptown part of Cagayan de Oro. Like 20 minutes lang to from the Lumbia Air Base if we will base sa Lumbia Air Base. So this is here, it's hindi pa tapos yung road, but it's supposed to be a 10-meter provincial road and a 6-meter barangay road or a right of way in this area. So it's so beautiful here. You would really think that you're so far na from Cagayan de Oro because parang bukid na talaga siya. This is the actual property that we are selling. This is the 11-hectare property. It's mostly flat and this is so ideal for a subdivision, and ang boundaries nito is a creek. So currently it's a farm with mangoes, and they've done all the um tawag nito, like putting sprays to produce healthy mango. So yeah, that's the whole area. I really love it here. It's so amazing seeing beautiful places like this because you don't get to see, if you are always in the city, you don't get to see this kind of view. Very refreshing. I really like it here, though. We've walked like more than, I think, 200 or 300 meters yung lakad namin from where we stopped our car. Thank you.